Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a custom domain in Heroku. The process is pretty straightforward, but you do need to make sure you own the domain before you start. First, confirm that the custom domain is registered under your name. You can buy a domain from any domain registrar if you haven't done that yet. Next, open your Heroku project and add your custom domain using the command Heroku domains. Add followed by your domain name. After adding it, you'll need to get the DNS target that Heroku provides. You can view this by running the Heroku domains command. Once you have your Heroku DNS target, go to your DNS provider and update your domain settings. Usually, this means creating a CNAME record that points your domain to the DNS target Heroku gave you. Every DNS provider has slightly different steps, so check their instructions if needed. After updating your records, there may be a short wait while the DNS settings propagate. When the changes have taken effect, you can verify everything by using the host command or by simply visiting your custom domain to see if your Heroku app loads. And that's it. That's how you add a custom domain to your Heroku app.